been 3 years now trying to chase my dream of being a big YouTuber. But my question is, why ever make impact in the world? Vanhu vanogara vachiti Hasta mavideos ako handigoni nawo. You deserve to be one of the biggest YouTubers in Zimbabwe. Thank you so much. I really love what I do. Ndofarira zvandinge ndichiita, especially those videos which I'll be surprising people. Surprise avana jatweri nanetsai with camera equipment. The other content which I like doing is where I'll be traveling to different places. As you can see, I'm in the middle of a forest. When I started YouTube, I was doing different type of content. And the reason why I stopped making those type of videos, they were not getting the traction which I needed. And I'm an ambitious person. I want to grow big. I want to be the biggest YouTuber in Zimbabwe. I always tell myself, but sometimes the journey becomes so intense. Lastly, to anyone watching this video, I just want to tell you that I don't afford to fail. And this kuzomira ma video. I may have 13,000 subscribers, but I will not stop until I make impact and become the biggest YouTuber in Zimbabwe. That's why I have decided to. Every Monday and every Friday, pay my videos. I'm gonna upload consistently my video per channel HastaPV. And there's one who got the reason I'm set mambo. Saka just subscribe and comment down.